times even at the exchange. Okay?
Wait, ano yan? Okay.
Two people, volunteers.
Okay.
The other side, please. That line, right there.
No distraction, okay?
Okay.
Okay, no distraction.
Just kidding.
Okay, guys. Line. People, behind the line.
Hi, John. Hey, stop it. How are you? I'm just kidding.
Alright, ready, Nick.
Remember, if you exchange over the line, you have to repeat. We'll be looking now. Okay, ready? 5. Wait,
No,
not yet.
Arian. Yes.
Put it down. Put it down. Not yet. No ball starts.
Oh my gosh, my students.
Put it down. In 5,
Go now.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on now. Yeah.
Yan, wag na natin. Where?
Keep it playing about some cheap players. Watch check the resume. It's the secret to the AA. This is the way. Ever since the 10th grade. People like to break up shit made. I trust my hands to the side. This was side. On the Gucci bucket with the fly super fly. Trapping on the shut it down. When it ain't nothing don't need people shit cause it's altar and altar. To satisfy my people in Georgia and Foster Falls. And across the if you follow, wink, no doubt we don't speak.
Okay, we have last players.
Okay, next. Because, you know, the egg fell down. But the winner is, of course,
Group number 3.
what group?
3.
Group 3! Okay. Okay. So later is your prize.
Right.
Go!
JJ, what was the